Hi everyone, it's Colette. Welcome to Colette's Thermy Kitchen. So I am heading off for my first Christmas event tonight, and I wanted to cook something nice for Andrew so he doesn't feel as though he's missing out. So earlier on today I popped on into the Thermomix some beautiful slow cooked beef cheeks, which is a cookidoo recipe, and it's got 5-spice Asian kind of themed. It's really lovely, and I'll put the link in the description above. So the beef cheeks I've taken out, the sauce is beautiful, but I really wanted to intensify the flavour and to reduce it down so it was a little bit thicker. And the way that I've done that is I have just got the sauce in here, and I put it on for about 8 minutes at Varoma temperature, speed 2, with the basket, so you can see all that steam coming out, all the evaporation coming out, which is going to mean I'm going to get a thicker sauce. So let's have a look. That's fine. So as well as it being thicker, it is going to taste more intense. That's going to be good, Andrew, hasn't it? So it's just counting down for the safety at the moment. I love the fact that the TM6 has a slow cooker built in. I do use that a fair bit. Yeah. So the sauce is actually reduced by about a third before I actually took out those wings. So that is lovely. That's going to be beautiful. So in that goes. You can see now it's nice and thick. It was fairly watery before. I'm not going to pop it through a sieve. So you can smell all those ginger, garlic, Asian flavors. Oh. Good. All right, and then what I have also done is I did some rice to go with this, and I wanted to kind of zhuzh the rice up a little bit, not just to do plain boiled white rice, because I know ideally jasmine rice would be perfect with this, but we love our flavors. So what I did in my other Thermomix is I popped in there a couple of tablespoons of ghee, some cumin seeds, some coriander seeds, some onion wedges, and a bit of cinnamon. And I then used the rice cooker function, and get familiar with the rice cooker function because it's really pretty cool. Think of it just like an ordinary rice cooker that you would buy, and kind of follow those ratios. So into that I popped in 200 grams of basmati rice and added in twice that of water. So let's serve this up. So the rice is looking good. It's got colour and flavour in it, which is what I was after. Can you see? I had some turmeric in there as well. And the ghee is going to give it a lovely nutty flavour. So just pop this in here. Got to make it look pretty for my man. Not that he really cares, do you, Andrew? All right, so the rice has gone in, and I'm just going to pop this onto a plate. So you can see that looks lovely. It looks interesting, a bit more so than a plain white rice. And then we're going to pop on the beef cheeks. And I'm just going to take one of these little guys out and show you just how beautifully that is cooked. Slow cooked. Now remember, with a beef cheek, when you buy it, you do get a lot of fat and other things, sinew on it. You don't need to trim those off because it's going to be beautiful and very tender, yummy, gelatinous. It's going to be just lovely. So a couple of bits of these. Let's have a little look. On the plate. Yum. Just lovely. Beef cheeks, just gorgeous, aren't they? And yes, you could put in there some braising steak, something else, if you didn't want to do the beef cheeks. And then to that, I'm just going to add, oh, it's quite hot actually, this. A little bit of this that is going to just coat and gloss, make that look extra beautiful. Yum. And then, of course, just to zhuzh that up a little bit, I've got some red onion, some chili, sorry, and some spring onions just to make that look beautiful. And then I've just got a couple of little lettuce leaves, which I think will be just lovely for Christmas. Of course, you could do some lovely bocconcini, broccoli, some nice Asian greens to go with this. And then I thought just a little sprinkling from on high of some chopped almonds that I have toasted would be a lovely addition. So, Andrew, do you think you'll enjoy that for dinner tonight?
Well, I think it might go down nicely with a beer.
With a beer. So that's the slow-cooked Chinese 5-spice beef cheeks on cookidoo. And remember those little tips about thickening that sauce up, giving it a more intense flavour, which I think is going to be lovely. And a couple of tips there for making your rice just that little bit more interesting. You have a beautiful evening. My name's Colette Matriga. Thanks for popping by. I will see you again soon. Bye for now.